Namaste all of you. My name is Dr. Ritu Singh Rajput, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science. Today we'll discuss about the fish, a technique that hybridizes a DNA nucleic acid prop to target DNA sequence contained within a cell nucleus. A variety of specimen types can be analyzed using fish. The intact cells are attached to the microbes slides using standard cytogenic methods. Fish to roll out is a chromosome microdeletion detection, interference chromosome enumeration, gene rearrangements, chromosomal rearrangement, marker chromosome identification, chromosome breakpoint mapping. Fish for detection of single to multiple genetic events. Single targets are one color, dual targets have two colors, and multiple targets have multiple colors. Probes which are using in a fish is a nucleic acid that can be labeled with the marker which allowed identification and quantitation. Will hybridize to another nucleic acid on the basis of base complementary. Probes you are using direct or indirect, radioactive which is P32, S35, C14H3. Fluorescent are fish in situ hybridization. Biotinylate, avid streptavidin. Probes are a part of DNA that is complementary to the certain sequence or the target DNA, plasmid, phase DNA, cosmate, or combination of phase and the plasmid DNA yash. PCR product amplification of certain segments of the chromosome DNA. Direct fluorescent label probes are, which is the specimen DNA and the covalent bond fish probe DNA. First of all, we have to take a target DNA, then labeled, then after that we have to hybridize the particular DNA, then label probe with the fluorescent molecule and denature. And after that we have to hybridize with the the target DNA. After that we have to visualize under the fluorescent. Type of fish probes are the centromeres, telomeres, whole chromosome paints, and the locuses. Types of probes are centromeric, as I told you, locus specific probes, and the whole chromosome painting probes. Types of probes are telomeric probes have specificity for the single human chromosome arm. They contain a locus esteemed to be within a 300 kb for the end of the chromosome. WCP chromosome painting probes are the hybridized probes, fluorescence with the bright intensity along the length of the chromosome. CEP chromosome enumerate probes, which is the centromere area. Most are alpha and satellite third probe. Centromeres region stained brighter means they are rich up to A and T bonds. Types of probes: LSI locus specific identifier, the deletion probes, translocation probes, gene detection probes, which is localized gene amplification probes. And the material does not contain metaphase chromosome, they are unsuccessfully cultivation. It is impossible to cultivate the tissue from the patients. And the analysis of complements chromosomal rearrangements, identification of marker chromosome, analysis of the low frequency mosaic, and the diagnosis of submicroscopic chromosomal rearrangement, microdeletion syndromes, and the amplification of the oncogenes, and the microdeletion of the tumor suppressor gene in the malignancy. Multicolor fishes can be provide colorized information relative to the chromosome rearrangement, especially useful in the specimens where chromosome preparation are less than optimal for the standard cytogenetic binding analysis. Fish procedure: first of all, we denature the chromosome, then denature the probe. After that, hybridization, then fluorescence staining. After that, examine the slide or the store in the dark. Hybridization. Nucleic acid hybridization is the information of the duplex between two complementary sequences. Intermolecular hybridization between two polynucleotide chains which have the complementary bases, which is DNA, 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 RNA, and RNA, RNA. After that, annealing is the another term used to describe the hybridization of two complementary molecules. And the automative hybridization is the probe at target DNA or denature together, faster, easier, and safer hybridization. In a fish, metaphase interphase cells, and after that hybridization, post-hybridization washes, visualization, and the analysis. And how to visualize the probes. DNA probes the label with the colored fluorescent molecules. The fluorescent molecules remain attached to the DNA during hybridization process. The molecule emits a particular color when the viewed through the fluorescence microbes is the equipment with the appropriate filter sets. You can see with the CCD camera and the fluorescent microbes, and it helps to the fish analysis and using some kinds of filter to visualize your probes. So this is all about the fish. I hope you will understand. If you have any query, write down in comment box. Thank you.